Harsha, I hope the students can chat with me, right?
They can chat with you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. I think Telugu. Okay. AP. I think, yeah, got it. I think most of you are from the Telugu states. I think so. AP and Telangana, if I am not wrong. Right. So, is anybody here from out of the AP states? Please let me know. Why? Because if all the people are from the AP state, means I will be using the both Telugu and English. I will be using the Tinglish. Right. So, have you heard about the Tinglish word? Tinglish. Tinglish is a blend of two words. Like it is a Telugu and English, right? Tinglish. So as we are having the English, English is a kind of like Hindi and English. It's a blend of two. Similarly, we are having like Tinglish. Actually, it is not a dictionary word, but yeah, the people will use when they communicate, right? So we can have these sections in the English format, right? Most of the things I will be going with the English only. Sometimes I will be using the Telugu also to make you comfortable and to make you communicate with me, right? So is it okay to everyone? Please give me a high five if it is okay. Right, you can send the reactions also in the chat. Yes, great. I have, yeah, high five. Okay, you people are giving me high five. Yes, high five, high five. Better you send these high five in the chart itself, right? మీరు చార్ట్ లోనే పంపించండి ఈ హై ఫై ఏదైతే ఉందో, so that it's better. Yeah, high five to everyone. Great. Um, that is the first point I want to put here. And yes, if all good, now will you please tell me what is a like level of your AI, right? Yeah, high five to all. High five to all. So మీకు AI గురించి ఎంతవరకు తెలుసు? What is a level of like intermediate level? Okay, intermediate level in the sense, are you like లై లై పేరేందో అబ్బాయి ఏందా పేరు అది, నాకైతే ఏం అర్థం కావట్లా. లైక్యూ. అమ్మ మీరు తెలుగు ఆంధ్ర వాళ్ళేనా మీరు? ఐ డోంట్ గెట్ ద నేమ్. బెటర్ కొంతమంది ఏంటంటే బెటర్ యూ పుట్ యువర్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ పీపుల్ టు ప్లీజ్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కెమెరా, రైట్? సో maybe at the end we take some screenshot along with all, right? We will be taking the screenshot at the end. um yeah, Dharmendra Balaji, intermediate level. Okay. ఇంకా మిగతా వాళ్ళు, you feel free to put your things in the chat, right? Maybe it is a beginner level. If you know anything, if you don't know anything, feel free to put. మీరు కనుక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ నాకు ప్రాపర్గా ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ దట్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ ది సెషన్, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ పుట్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యువర్ everyone is at the intermediate level, or everyone at the beginner level, or everyone is having the advanced level, means I will go depends upon that. Yeah, there are some students like very basic level. I am from EC student, no need to worry. Yeah, beginner level, beginner, basic level, beginning, right? Basic level, right? Just as basic level. Okay, 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 okay. So yeah, got it. Most of you are the beginners. Might be having some knowledge on AI, but you know what is AI, but you don't know how to implement the applications in the artificial intelligence, right? VSM. Okay, someone is from the VSM. I hope you people have seen me if you are from the VSM, right? Okay. Okay. Better you change the name when you are joining the section instead of keeping the roll number or something like that. Better you keep your name, right? So better I can interact with, I can talk to you with the name, right? Instead of calling you 21381A057, right? Better మీ పేరు అక్కడ పెట్టుకోండి so that I can talk to you, right? Yeah, Vijaya, okay, fine. Most of you are from the VSM and from other colleges also. Who are from the other colleges? Let me know. Other than the VSM, is there any other college? Guide, okay. Rice, okay, okay. Miracle Education Society group of institutions, okay. Gates, okay. Vishnu, okay. Aditya, fine. Aditya College, right. Aditya Engineering College, great. So, okay, SVCE, okay. Adhuni Arts and Science, okay. I think the students are from degree college also, right? I think Arts and Science College means it is a degree college. Okay. Yeah, got it. Okay, Adnan Sami from Adhuni Arts and Science College. Great. So I think most of you people are from the AP colleges, AP region colleges only. I think so. Great, great. Yeah, yep. Got it, got it, got it. So yeah, very good participants I'm having here. Very interactive, right? So yeah, great. So I think most of you are having the basic level of knowledge on the artificial intelligence, right? Great, fine. So we will start with the session now, right? So before going to start, once again, I want to tell you one thing. Please make the session as interactive as possible. ఓకే సెక్షన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో మాక్సిమం ఇంటరాక్టివ్ గా పెట్టుకోండి వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ సంథింగ్ టు యూ ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రెస్పాన్స్ రైట్ వై బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వర్చువల్ సెక్షన్ I can able to see only the screen. The I cannot able to see your faces, right? మీ ముఖ చిత్రాలు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో నేను చూడలేను, right? So like I cannot able to understand how extent you are getting what I'm teaching, right? So make the section as interactive as possible, right? Whenever I'm asking something to you, please give me some kind of response to me so that we can have the great learning ahead, right? So yeah, yeah. Let's start with the session now. I hope you got the basic what we can call like maybe the basic syllabus of the these internship. What are the things that we are going to cover in this internship? Let me just give you the brief about it. First, we will be looking at the basic introduction to the artificial intelligence and the terminology of the artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence and ANT and the basic terminology. ఏమేమి ఏ kind of terminology అనేది రావచ్చు AI లోకి. So we will be discussing just today we might be having this section only, right? And then in the next section onwards we will be having the Python. We start with the Python programming language, right? Why? Because when we want to build any kind of AI application, the basic programming language which required is a Python, right? So yeah, we will be learning about the Python programming language. We will be covering the basics of Python and the data structures, control statements, functions, and everything in the point of Python. Then after completing the Python, we will be looking at the data analysis with the Python. Right. So how to do the data analysis? It is one of the step in the machine learning model building. Right. We'll be looking at the data analysis that is by using the Python. There we'll be covering the different packages like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and all. Right. So and then we'll be moving towards the machine learning. In the machine learning, we will be looking at the different types of machine learning, machine learning types like supervisor learning, unsupervised learning, and the reinforcement learning. And we mostly concentrating on the supervisor and the unsupervised learning. And there are different types of like algorithms are available. Right. So we'll be covering in the we will see that what are the different algorithms and all. We will look at it, and then we move to the basics of the OpenCV. Right. So computer vision, OpenCV. దాని గురించి మనం చూద్దాం. Basics of how to use the OpenCV with the Python. Right. Basic image processing techniques that we will see, and then we move towards the deep learning. In the deep learning, we'll look at what is a, basic building block of the neural net, basic building block of the deep learning, that is a neural network. And then from the neural network, then we move to the deep neural networks. There we look at how to handle the unstructured data, that is how to classify the images. Then we move towards the transfer learning. Then if the time permits, then we go with the NLP, natural language processing. Then we look at how to do the sentiment analysis by using the deep learning and all. Right. So, okay. Okay. So you are having some department. So Balaji, sir or ma'am. Okay, got it. Fine. I hope everyone understood, right? So what we are going to cover in this internship program, right? So yeah, I hope everyone got what I am saying, right? నేను ఏది చెప్తున్నాను మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. So shall we start the section? Right. Shall we start with the things? Yes. Yes. Great. Great. So let's start. Yeah. So let me share my screen and please let me know. Yeah, Shekhar, regarding the timings, this like Harsha sir or the Ocean Apps management, they will be informing you whenever there is a section. I hope you people are in the WhatsApp group, right? I request everyone of you from be join in the WhatsApp group. So everything will be getting in the WhatsApp group itself, and I will be sharing the some basic content and the programming content in the WhatsApp group itself. And one more thing, friends, ఇంకో విషయం ఏంటి అంటే వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ విషయం ఏంటి అంటే ఆల్ ద సెక్షన్స్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ది టుడే సెషన్, రిమైనింగ్ సెక్షన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో మాక్సిమం అన్ని సెక్షన్స్ వచ్చేసి మనకి హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ సెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. Maximum sections or the hands-on sections, right? So I request you to please join with the laptop, right? Maybe మీరు లైక్ మొబైల్ తో జాయిన్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు ఈ సెక్షన్ కి. బట్ ఇన్ ద కమింగ్ సెక్షన్స్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ టు ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ విత్ ద ల్యాప్టాప్, రైట్? If you are not in the WhatsApp group, please maybe mm, uh, yeah, you can ask uh, the Ocean Apps team, right? So please, yeah, I request every one of you to please join with the laptop, right? And don't join with the mobile, and do the hands-on along with me, right? So then only you can appreciate these internship, right? So general గా ఏదో నామకే వస్తే మనము ఏదో జాయిన్ అవుదాము, and then let's see, are we going to get the certificate or not later. Certificates is the secondary. First get the learnings, right? నేర్చుకున్న ఏవైతే నేర్చుకుంటామో ప్రాపర్ గా నేర్చుకుందాం. Do the hands on along with me, then only you can appreciate it. Okay, sir, how to join in the WhatsApp group? Harsha sir, is there anything that you can tell about the WhatsApp group?
Sir, I hope they have AppSheet numbers, sir. They are registered. We have uploaded the WhatsApp through AppSheet, which they have given the numbers in AppSheet.
So
యాప్స్లో
there
వాళ్ళు
are some
ఏదైతే నెంబర్స్
students
ఇచ్చారో
there
దాంట్లో
are not
వాట్సాప్
in the, yeah.
సార్ అండ్ మెయిల్స్ కూడా కమ్యూనికేట్ చేసాం సార్ ఆల్రెడీ.
Mm. So let's
ఒకవేళ
check your
లేకపోతే
mails once.
మాత్రం ఎస్ సార్. ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళకి వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ రాకపోతే వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ నెంబర్కి వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ అలా వస్తే కనుక మాకు ఇంటిమేషన్ ఇస్తే మేము మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేస్తాం సార్ దీంట్లో.
Okay, those who are not in the WhatsApp, please, I think maybe you can
అంటే
check your mail, or maybe you can maybe
we will
contact with
receive
your
the mail.
connect with your father once, right? So do something.
Check the numbers which you have given at the time of MSET or OMDC degree. డిగ్రీ అడ్మిషన్ టైంలో మీరు ఏదైతే నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారో ఆ నెంబర్తోనే మీకు యాప్షీ అనేది రిజిస్టర్ అయిందమ్మా. ఇంజనీరింగ్ అయితే ఎంసెట్ ఉన్నదప్పుడు ఏదైతే నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారో దాంతో రిజిస్టర్ అయింది. దాంతోనే వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఒకవేళ మీ ఫాదర్ది కానీ లేదా మీ మదర్ది కానీ అయితే కనుక ఒకసారి మాకు పింక్ చేయండి, మేము మిమ్మల్ని యాడ్ చేస్తాం మళ్ళీ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మీ సెక్షన్స్.
Oh, fine, great. So yeah, let's start with the things. I will be stopping my like video to save the bandwidth. Let's see. Let me keep it. Let's see how it will go. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So yeah, yeah, great. So welcome to this internship program. This internship is about come on. So here in this internship, we will be learning about the artificial intelligence and the fundamentals, right? And I introduced myself already, and you can get my LinkedIn here. This is my LinkedIn page. You can just follow me through this LinkedIn, and you can connect with me, right? This is my LinkedIn page, right? LinkedIn profile. So here today in this section, what we do, we have a look at the introduction to artificial intelligence, right? So before going to get into the details, yeah, will you please tell me what kind of AI applications that you have already used? మీరు ఏదైనా AI applications already యూస్ చేశారా మీరు ముందు? Yeah, ChatGPT, exactly. Great, great start. Yeah, ChatGPT, Gemini. Oh my goodness. Yeah,
I
yeah,
frequently use ChatGPT, Meta, and Gemini.
Gemini, exactly. Yeah,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Copilot. Okay, before ChatGPT, Copilot, and Meta, ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తుంటాం? ఎస్, మూవీ రికమెండేషన్స్ ఇన్ ఓటీటీ. యా, ఈస్ ద మూవీ రికమెండేషన్స్ ఓటీటీ ఈస్ ఏ అప్లికేషన్? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ సార్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ అప్లికేషన్. యా, గ్రేట్. ఓకే, next, apart from ChatGPT, apart from Meta or the Gemini, so yeah, black box AI. Okay, okay, ఇంకా Flipkart and Amazon. So ఏంటి, what is a specific use case of AI in the Flipkart and Amazon? Flipkart, Amazon, ఇవి AI applications are? I think they are not the AI applications, right? Recommendations, right? Yeah, product recommendation by the Flipkart, Amazon, or something. Yeah, exactly. YouTube suggestions. Yes, YouTube suggestions are the like it is a AI application, right? సో మనం ఎప్పుడైతే సీరియస్గా చదువుకుందాం అనుకుంటామో, ఆ చదువుకున్నాం అనుకునే ముందు ఒక 5 నిమిషాల ముందు, ఒక పావు గంట ముందు మనం ఏవైతే వీడియోస్ చూస్తామో, లైక్ మేబీ ది సుమక్క వీడియోస్, క్యాష్ వీడియోస్, జబర్దస్త్ వీడియోస్ ఏవైతే చూస్తామో, ఎప్పుడైతే చదువుకుందాం అని చెప్పేసి ఏదైనా వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు రికమెండేషన్స్లో ఏముంటాయి మనకి? అవే ఉంటాయి, రైట్? జబర్దస్త్ వీడియోలు ఉంటాయి, జోడీ వీడియోలు ఉంటాయి, ఏవైతే వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయి, అగైన్ వి విల్ అట్రాక్ట్ టు ద రెస్పెక్టివ్ వీడియోస్ అగైన్. మనం చదువు ఏదైతే ఉందో అది కాస్త ఎగిరిపోతుంది, రైట్? యా. అండ్ దెన్ ఫేస్ రికగ్నైజేషన్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, రైట్? ఫేస్ రికగ్నైజేషన్, Flipkart customer service chatbot through AI is exactly right. Yeah, great. All these are the AI applications. We are using the artificial intelligence in our daily life. Maybe we know or we don't know. Without knowingly or unknowingly, we are using the artificial intelligence in our daily life, right? So let's see what are the different applications that we are using, right? So here, just have
Every
a look
day,
at
AI helps
the video. I hope, are you getting the audio of this?
people with their
Yes,
personal
sir,
lives,
it's audible.
It is audible, na?
Yes, sir.
jobs,
Great.
transportation, education, health, and more, maybe even without them realizing it. Here are some examples of AI in action on a typical day. In the morning, a teenager wakes up and uses facial recognition to unlock her phone. She scrolls through social media feeds to see what's new. Then she asks the voice assistant on her phone what the weather is going to be like that day so she knows how to dress for school. A college student uses an app on his phone to deposit a birthday check from his grandmother. He takes a photo of the check, and the app automatically reads the handwriting to figure out the amount. It then deposits it into his account. Meanwhile, a younger student uses a different app that is teaching her a new language. The app listens to what she says and can recognize what she's saying even if she makes mistakes. The app then gives her personalized feedback on her pronunciation. At the same time, a person gets in their car to go to work, and the navigation system plans the fastest route based on current traffic. In the car, they listen to a music streaming service, which already knows what types of songs they like based on what they listened to before. When a factory worker arrives at her job, she sees that, as usual, humans and robots are both assembling cars. The robots do some of the more dangerous or repetitive tasks, like welding or painting. AI helps the robots recognize the tools they need to pick up or check parts to make sure they have been cut exactly right. When the cars are completed, computers help manage inventory and plan efficient shipping routes to deliver them around the world. Now, meet a farmer who's checking on her crops. She notices that some of her plants look unhealthy. She pulls out her smartphone and uses an app to take a photo of the leaves. The app can detect crop disease and also identify harmful insects. The app identifies the problem and recommends treatment. A surgeon is using AI to help make a medical diagnosis for a patient, and then a robot helps her perform a successful surgery. Afterwards, she goes to visit patients in a nursing home, where robots gently lift seniors in and out of bed and help them move around. In the meantime, a traveler needs to book a flight to another city. An automated customer service chatbot helps him book his ticket on the phone. Once he's on board, autopilot flies the plane for much of the flight. AI is even used in space. On the International Space Station, an astronaut talks to a free-floating robot that helps with chores and does jobs that are risky for humans. Now that you've learned about how other people use AI every day, think about how you use it. Spend a few minutes thinking about this question. What are 3 ways that you or someone you know uses AI? The video you just watched is part of a lesson that helps people learn about AI. To see the entire Discover AI in Daily Life lesson, visit the Applied Digital Skills website.
Right. So I hope you understood what the video is about, right? Is it clear, friends?
Every day,
Right. So we are using
Yes, sir.
these artificial intelligence in our daily life, right? Knowingly or unknowingly, we are using all the AI applications, right? So now maybe we know how to build. Some of we know how to build the AI application, or most of we don't know how to build the AI application, even though we are using it, right? So now what we do in this internship, we try to learn how to build these kind of AI applications, maybe the facial recognition, right? So maybe the language translation, maybe the recommendation system, maybe the email classification problem, right? So we, in this internship, what we do, we try to implement, we try to build these kind of basic AI applications through these internship, and so that you will be getting the basic core understanding of what is artificial intelligence and how to build these kind of the basic AI applications, right? So yes, I hope you are excited.
Day.
Let's start with the session, and I request you people to please be in mute, right? So I request Harsha sir to please take care of the participants. Okay, I am in mute. Okay, ఎవరే నన్ను మ్యూట్ చేసేసారు. Okay, got it. So please friends, don't take the control of the session. Okay, right. So let's start. So let's see what is this artificial intelligence, right? So here you can see that artificial intelligence is a blend of two words, right? It is a blend of two words. One is artificial and other one is a intelligence, right? It is a blend of two words. Intelligence ante entandi, what is an intelligence? Who can we call as a intelligent? The one who can able to take a decision, right? The one who can able to learn the new things, right? The one who can able to solve the problem, depends upon the previous knowledge, and the depends upon the knowledge the one is having, right? So the one we can call it as an intelligence person, right? So intelligence is a kind of natural thing. Now artificial, which is non-natural, right? So artificial intelligence means we want to make a machine, we want to make a machine to act as a intelligence, right? So by adding the intelligence to the machine, right? So it is a some physical machine, it is not in a natural, right? So what we are doing, మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, we are making this machine to intelligent, act like a human being, right? If there is a human being, right, the way the human is performing, if the machine is also doing the same thing, right? The way human is performing means the way we are talking, the way we are listening, the way we are like walking, the way we able to solve the problem, the way we think to solve the problem, right? We are all are having naturally all these aspects ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయి ఇవన్నీ మనకు natural గా ఉన్నాయి, right? So if we able to solve the same thing by using the by using the machine, yes, if the machine is also doing all these things, then we can say that machine is having the intelligence, right? That is what the artificial intelligence is, right? If you see this, yeah, when the machines are made to think and learn like the human being, right? The way we are thinking, the way we are learning, if the machine is also doing the same, if the machine is also doing the same, we can call the machine is having the intelligence, right? This is what the simple artificial intelligence is, right? And we have seen the lots of application, and one of the application here is, yes, Siri is also one of the application, right? It is a voice assistance. It will be under, it is a machine, and it is understanding the voice of the human being, రైట్. సో మనం ఏదైతే అడుగుతామో, హే సిరి ప్లే సమ్ మ్యూజిక్, హే సిరి వాట్ ఈస్ ద వెదర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ టుడే, రైట్? అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అవర్ న్యాచురల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. మనం ఏదైతే మాట్లాడుతున్నామో అది అర్థం చేసుకుంటుంది, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ న్యాచురల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. Today's weather is something something degree centigrade, right? So which kind of music you want to play, right? It will be asking some kind of suggestions, it will be playing regarding accordingly, right? So Yes, this is a one of the AI application that we use, right? How it is responding? We added some kind of intelligence to this mission, right? It is not a human being, right? ఇది హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ కాదు, ఇది ఒక మిషన్. మనం ఏం చేసాం ఈ మిషన్ కి, we have added the intelligence to the respective mission to make interact with us, right? To interact with us, right? I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, so what is a step to towards the artificial intelligence? Actually, it is a first step towards the artificial intelligence. I hope most of you know about this test, Turing test. There is a one like renowned scientist like Turing, right? So he, on his name, actually he proposed this test, right? So actually he is the one who coined the in 1950s, right? In 1950s and 55 around, he coined a paper, right? In the one conference that called Can Machine Think? Machine అనేది ఆలోచించగలదా? Can machine think అని చెప్పేసి ఒక పేపర్ అనేది he just proposed, right? So to answer that question, he proposed a test also. అది మనం ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు, ఒక మిషన్ అనేది ఆలోచిస్తుందా లేదా, మిషన్ కి ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఉందా లేదా అనేది మనం ఏ విధంగా టెస్ట్ చేయాలి? there are some tests to check the human being whether he is having the intelligence or not, right? By keeping the some kind of test or something. How can we examine the mission then? A mission ఎలా examine చేయొచ్చు, right? That the test he proposed, the test is called the Turing test. ఈ టెస్ట్ లో ఏంటి అంటే, there is a human questionnaire or the interrogator. ఒక క్యాండిడేట్ ఉంటారు, and he will be in a room, and out on the other side of the wall there is a one machine and there is a one human, right, respondent, but he don't know who is sitting which side. మేబీ ఇతనికి తెలియదు పక్కన మిషన్ ఉన్న సంగతి ఇతనికి తెలియదు, పక్కన హ్యూమన్ ఇంట్రోగేటర్ ఉన్న సంగతి తెలియదు. హీ విల్ బి జస్ట్ పోజింగ్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ టు బోత్, అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద రెస్పాన్స్ హీ ఈస్ గెటింగ్, రైట్? If the machine make full, right, the respondent, like if the questioner cannot able to what we can call cannot able to guess the response came from the machine, right? If he get fooled, then you can say that machine is acting like a human being. So whatever the response came from the machine, he is not able to just classify that yes, వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మిషన్ నుండి కాకుండా హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ నుంచి వచ్చిందే అని చెప్పారు అనుకోండి, then you can say that yes, machine is also acting like a human being, right? This is a test given by the Turing. So on his name, the test is a Turing test. But it is not that simple. అది అంత సింపుల్ అయితే కాదు టు మేక్ మిషన్ యాక్ట్ లైక్ ఎ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్. మిషన్ అనేది హ్యూమన్ లా యాక్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే there are different things that we need to add. Like machine should have the natural language understanding, natural language processing అనేది తెలియాలి మిషన్ కి. లైక్ ద వే వి ఆర్ టాకింగ్, మనం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, హిందీలో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం, మిషన్ కి కూడా లాంగ్వేజెస్ అర్థం కావాలి, రైట్? అది అర్థం కావాలి అంటే మిషన్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ది న్యాచురల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ క్యాపబిలిటీ. అండ్ ఇఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఏ ఇమేజ్ క్వశ్చన్, నేను ఒక ఏదైనా ఇమేజ్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి మిషన్ కి, రైట్, ఆ ఇమేజ్ లో ఏముందో అర్థం కావాలి అంటే మిషన్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ది కంప్యూటర్ విజన్ క్యాపబిలిటీ, రైట్? మనకైతే కళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి, చూసి అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నాము, బట్ హౌ కమ్ ద మిషన్ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ది ఇమేజెస్, రైట్? సో ఆ కంప్యూటర్ విజన్ క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉండాలి. అలాగే నాలెడ్జ్ రీజనింగ్ ఉండాలి, రైట్? రీజనింగ్ క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉండాలి, ప్యాటర్న్ రికగ్నిషన్ క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉండాలి. సో ఇఫ్ ద మిషన్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్ క్యాపబిలిటీ, then only we can say that machine is acting like a human being, right? Then only the machine can pass the Turing test. It is not that easy, but there is a test, but it is not that easy too, right? So I hope you understood what is the Turing test is. Now, actually, what are the different types of categories of AI, types of AI, right? So will you please tell me what are the different types of or categories of AI? Yes.
General or strong AI?
Yeah, general or strong AI. Exactly. Inka. ML, DL, they are not the like types of AI. Okay. Yeah, general or strong. Rendu ఒకటే. Yes.
Generative AI.
Yeah. Generative AI is not a type of AI. That is different. Here, weak AI and the strong AI. Exactly. Right. Great. So here you can see. So these are the three types of AI that we are having. One is a narrow AI, narrow artificial intelligence, right? Artificial general intelligence. It is not a generative AI. It is a general. Okay, don't get confused. It is a general intelligence and artificial super intelligence. I request you people to be in mute. Right. Please mute lo undandi. Right. So these are the three types of AI we are having. సో ఈ నారో ఏఐనే వీక్ ఏఐ అని కూడా అంటారు. రైట్. ఈ జనరల్ ఏఐనే స్ట్రాంగ్ ఏఐ అని కూడా అంటారు. రైట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ది నారో ఏఐ and what is the general AI? Narrow AI is something that it is specific to the task. It can only able to solve the one
Image
specific.
also?
Yes. ఎవరు?
Like Siri.
Yes. Siri, ChatGPT, Alexa, right? All these are the categories of narrow AI. Right. So I request you please be in mute. ఒక డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ లో ఉండండి. ప్లీజ్ బీ ఇన్ మ్యూట్. Right. So yeah. So narrow AI is a specific to the task. Right. It will perform only the specific task. It cannot able to solve the it cannot do the multitasking. And the general AI, it can do the multitasking like a human being. Right. And coming to the super AI, like artificial super intelligence, actually it is more than the human intelligence. It is it is in the records, but there is no research. Still, it is ongoing. The పేరుకైతే ఉంది కానీ there is no such kind. Nothing is there happening in the part of artificial super intelligence. రైట్. సో మోస్ట్లీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఆలోచించాల్సింది ఏంటి అంటే నారో ఏఐ గురించి అలాగే జనరల్ ఏఐ గురించి ఆలోచించాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ జనరల్ ఏఐ, నాట్ ఏ జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ. జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే. నౌ విల్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏఐ దట్ వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సింగ్ నౌ? మనం ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసే ఏఐ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇట్ ఈస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు విచ్ కేటగిరీ?
It is narrow AI.
Yeah, the AI that we are experiencing now, it is belongs to narrow AI only. It is not belongs to general AI. Most of the people think that the AI that we are experiencing now, it is belongs to the general AI. No. Right. Why it is no? Why? Because if I want to give the simple here, there are some applications like Siri or ChatGPT or Alexa. They perform only the specific task. రైట్. అంటే ఏంటి? మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ అవి చేయలేవు. అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అంటే మేబీ దెర్ ఆర్ టూ అప్లికేషన్స్. లైక్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ వన్ అప్లికేషన్ దట్ ఫేషియల్ రికగ్నైజేషన్ అప్లికేషన్ ఒకటి ఉంది. ఇట్ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ది images and it will recognize and it will give the output like yes or no something. Right. It will take the image. And there is a one more application like as you told, it is Siri. What it will take the voice or AUDIO audio kind of thing, and it will respond depends upon the voice or the audio that we are giving. Now these are the two different applications. Right. Siri can only understand the voice, and this face recognition app, it can understand only the images. Now if I go in front of the Siri, right, instead of like speaking, if I stand in front of the Siri, can it able to understand my face or can it able to respond to me? అది రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుందా మనకి? It will not respond, right? Right. Why? Because we are not speaking in front of it. It will not respond, right? And if it comes to the facial recognition, if it comes to the face recognition, right? Instead of showing my face, na face చూపించకుండా, suppose if I am speaking in front of the face recognition app, it can able to understand it, it can able to unlock my phone.
No, sir.
No, it will not do, right? That means it can understand, this face recognition app can understand only my face. It can understand only the images, and the Siri application understand only my voice, right? So they are specific to the task. They cannot perform the multitasking the way we perform. We can able to see, we can able to talk, we can able to listen, we can do the lot of things at the same time, multitasking that we can do. But the narrow artificial intelligence, it cannot do the multitasking. I hope you are getting my point. So the application, the AI that we are experiencing now, it is the narrow AI. It is not the general AI, right? I hope it is clear to everyone, right? Now let's see, suppose if there is a one machine, it can able to do the multitasking. సపోజ్ ఒక మిషన్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఆ మిషన్ కనుక మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ కనుక చేస్తుంటే, ద వే హ్యూమన్ ఈస్ పెర్ఫార్మింగ్, లైక్ మనం ఎలాగైతే మాట్లాడుతున్నామో, మనం ఎలాగైతే నడుస్తున్నామో, మనం ఎలాగైతే ఆలోచిస్తున్నామో, ఇఫ్ ద సేమ్ వే if the machine is also doing, and what kind of name that we can give to the machine?
It is
Robots.
strong AI. It means robots.
Exactly, right? So we can call those machines as a robot, right? Our machines మనం ఏమనొచ్చు, robots అనొచ్చు. Robots, like they can walk, they can listen, they can see, right? Let's see those here. Let's see, as of now we are having two main humanoid robots, right? So here we are having something like Sophia and Emeka. I hope you heard about the Sophia, right? Vinara meer Sophia gurinchi?
Yes, sir.
Right, great. Let's see, let's have a look at this video. Audio వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Do androids dream of electric sheep? We don't know, but they look terrifying and terrifyingly human-like once they wake up, and that's how humanoid robot race is started. Engineered Arts, a UK-based robotics company, has created a humanoid robot named Emeka, which has everyone convinced it's a Black Mirror episode come to life. We already know Sophia humanoid robot, created by Hanson Robotics. Sophia already mesmerized people with its ability to interact with people, including celebrities like Will Smith in real time. Sophia is capable of imitating human gestures and facial expression using her facial motors. She's equipped to answer certain questions and engage in simple conversations. Cameras are embedded in Sophia's eyes, and along with computer algorithms, she's able to see things. Soon she can also able to walk. But wait a minute, Sophia got competition from Emeka. Emeka is the world's most advanced human-shaped robot, representing the forefront of human robotics technology. Emeka can express emotions like a real human. Emeka designed specifically as a platform for development into future robotics technologies. Emeka is the perfect humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction, apart from Sophia. In future, with advancement in AI technology, these robots can do many jobs, like taking decisions in financial market, caring for people in hospitals, and they can also work in hostile environments. Maybe soon Elon Musk can send them in space to establish humanity on Mars. So here is question for you, who looks more realistic to you? Sophia or Omeka? In future both can able to walk and can be deployed in every home. They both can interact with you, sometimes they can love you, or they can talk with you in lonely times. You can customize them the way you want. So guys, based on their intellectual ability, which humanoid robot you want to keep in your home? We are interested to hear your thoughts. Share your thoughts down in comments section and don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Right. So hope you understand about the humanoid robots, right? So let's get into the things.
Hey,
Yes.
silent ఉంది.
అమ్మ మళ్ళీ మీకు చెప్తున్నాను, ప్లీజ్ do not unmute in between the section. I cannot able to unmute them. Gaibu. Please, someone from Ocean app. Someone muted me. Sir, Harsha sir, please ఒకసారి చూస్తుండండి స్టూడెంట్స్ మధ్యలో maybe yeah, we will talk about it. Yes. Okay. Again, Jagan. Right. Yeah. So there is one thing I want to put here, right? Something like here you can see the statement given by the, I hope you people know about him, right? He's a great scientist like Stephen Hawking, right? So what he said, like the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. So what is this statement? Now we are experiencing the artificial intelligence. That is great. We are using the artificial intelligence in our daily life. When we are starting our day with the AI only, maybe by unlocking our mobile phone or looking at the different Instagram feeds, reels, right? The recommendations, YouTube recommendations, everything. The whole day we are spending with the artificial intelligence, and we are utilizing the artificial intelligence like anything, right? In our education or maybe anything, right? But if the AI is fully developed, right? So it can be spelled like end of the human race. అంటే మానవ జాతి ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మొత్తం అంతరించిపోతుంది, right? As per him, right? Not only as per him, maybe I hope you heard about one of the statement by the Elon Musk also, right? He also stated the same thing. Like if the development of the fully development of artificial intelligence, it is a the whole world will be in the danger, right? As so like how we need to use the artificial intelligence, it is very important, right? So and I hope మీరు కొన్ని మూవీస్ చూసే ఉంటారు. I hope you have seen some of the movies, right? ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మనకి రోబోట్ అని చెప్పేసి ఒక మూవీ ఉంది, రైట్? బై ది విలియమ్స్ స్మిత్, రైట్? అలాగే మన తెలుగులో కూడా మనకి మూవీ ఉంది బై రజనీకాంత్ సార్, రైట్? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ రోబోట్ మూవీ, హౌ ద AI can affect the human race, right? I hope you have seen that. Now let's try to look at the terminologies of artificial intelligence that you can see here. We are having something like
Robot, Python.
come on, something like artificial intelligence, right? So what is this artificial intelligence that we already understood? Making the machine like a human being, right? The way human is performing, if the machine is also same thing, then it is a artificial intelligence, right? Actually it is a field of study, It is a totally field of study, right? That means మనకి ఎలాగైతే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కానీ ఎలాగైతే కెమిస్ట్రీ ఎలాగైతే ఫిజిక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మెయిన్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఆఫ్ స్టడీ ఈజ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. And coming to these like machine learning or deep learning or generative AI, these are the subfields of artificial intelligence. These are the subfields of artificial intelligence. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి, మనకి ఎలాగైతే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో మనకి ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అని చెప్పేసి ఒక సబ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, ఆల్జిబ్రా అని చెప్పేసి, క్యాలిక్యులస్ అని చెప్పేసి, రైట్, వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ది సమ్ సబ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, రైట్. సిమిలర్లీ అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఈ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్, డీప్ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో దీస్ ఆర్ ద సబ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. Here we talk about the whole study of making machines like a human being. Making machines like a human being, machines like a human being. But in these subfields, we'll be taking the some part of the intelligence. We are implementing that intelligence in the subsequent subfields, right? Coming to the machine learning, again, it is a branch of AI. It is AI that focuses on creating the intelligent machines that learn from the data, right? Learn from the data, right? So, ikkada data anedi a format lo, if we talk about the machine learning, the data in a form of the table, right? So, ante structured data edaithe undo, we will be using the structured data to build the machine learning models, right? And then coming to the deep learning, so coming to the deep learning, it is again a subfield of AI or subfield of machine learning, right? There it will be using the artificial neural networks. There it will be using the artificial neural networks like convolution neural network and the recurrent neural network. There are many other types of artificial neural networks that we are having. Here, the data in a form of unstructured data, like it will be handling the images, text, or something like that. And there is another kind of AI that we are having nowadays. It is very now it is in boom, right? Generative AI. It is here we are using the deep neural networks, and it will also handle the unstructured data like images or text. But here the data that we are using, it is very huge compared to the data that we are using in the normal deep learning algorithms. Okay, so we mostly focus on these things in this internship. Like we will be looking at the different types of machine learning algorithms, whatever we are having, and we'll be looking at different types of deep learning algorithms, whatever we are having. And if the time permits, we try to deploy, we try to prepare the UI by using the Streamlit, and then we try to deploy it also in the public cloud. Okay, that we will see. And then we are having the applied artificial intelligence. Till now, we have seen what is artificial intelligence. It is a field of study. Now, what is the applied artificial intelligence? Again, it is a branch of AI only. But here we will be looking at how to use these artificial intelligence to solve the real world problems. Mana real world problems ni solve cheyadaniki ee artificial intelligence ni ఏ విధంగా యూస్ చేసుకుంటాం అని చెప్పేది applied artificial intelligence. And it is having the different applications here in the part of artificial intelligence that you can see. Like we can use the artificial intelligence in the healthcare, logistic, retail, e-commerce, automobiles, manufacturing, everything, in everywhere. Actually, AI anedi, most of the people, they think that it is belongs to the computer science subject. But yeah, we need to write the algorithms. We need to write the programs to make machine to understand the things. But it is it is belongs to the all the different fields. Like it may be we can use in the healthcare, we can use in the medicines, we can use the artificial intelligence in the mobile, mechanical students can use it, and electrical students can use it, right? Everyone can use it. Financial people like business analyst can use the artificial intelligence, right? It is having we can use the artificial intelligence in the different fields. And again, we are having one video here, like where how can we use the AI in the medical field.
Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing medicine, but how can this potential be used in the best possible way? For example, if a patient is worried about their health, they can quickly obtain initial diagnoses with a symptom checker app. The app also helps patients decide whether they should see a specialist, and if so, which one. The app's algorithm provides the doctor with valuable information for taking the patient's medical history, even in the case of rare diseases, and it can support the choice of the right treatment. Artificial intelligence can be useful during an MRI examination, for example. MRI images consist of hundreds of thousands of individual image data in which neural networks recognize patterns and calculate the probabilities for certain diseases. To do this, they were previously trained with numerous MRI images and the associated diagnoses. The AI-supported assistance systems provide the doctor with important information for her own diagnosis. However, special skills are required to be able to deal with it in a reflective manner. In summary, these two aspects are particularly important. On the one hand, AI systems must be trained with as much data as possible in order to deliver reliable results. On the other hand, doctors need additional skills to be able to make better decisions in the interest of the patient, supported by AI. In this way, the potential of artificial intelligence for medicine can be used in a reflective and competent manner. See you on the AI campus.
Right. I hope you understood. So I will take just a 5 more minutes, 5 to 10 more minutes. That's it. We will wind it up. Right. So here, let's see what is the job market, right? If we are learning about the artificial intelligence, why do we learn it, right? Obviously, if there are any career opportunities in the future, then we need to learn any kind of new technology. Obviously, it is required to learn this new technology, right? So that you will be in a standout position in the market. If you are in the second year or a third year, or maybe in the final year also, it is totally fine. You can, if you learn it, yes, you will be in a standout position compared to the other people. So here, if you see this, here, this is a job market that you can see. Actually, ఇది కనుక మనం చూస్తే let me have it. So 2024, that is already done. Now coming to the 2023, you can see the race of the artificial intelligence. The job market in the artificial intelligence, it is 35.7%, right? And most of the who are mostly a part of it, Asia specific region, that is might be India is also one of the part of it, right? That you can see. And because of the AI, the new jobs are came into the market, like maybe the AI research scientist, data scientist, AI product manager, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer. All these are the different job roles that you can find in the market because of the artificial intelligence, right? మీరు కనుక ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ప్రాపర్ గా నేర్చుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఎస్ డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ బి ఇన్ ఏ స్టాండర్డ్ పొజిషన్. And what are the AI stack tool that you will be learning in this, and you should be having some idea about it? Yes, obviously, we need to know, right, to build these artificial intelligence applications or the machine learning applications. The programming language that we are using, it is Python programming language. On top of it, all these are the different libraries available, right, on top of the Python programming language, and we'll be using all this, right? And the IDE that we'll be using, it is a Jupyter Notebook IDE, a Jupyter Notebook, or maybe a VS Code also we can use, right? I hope most of you know about how to install the Python, and it is I recommend you to install the Python along with the Anaconda, right? Tomorrow we will see the we will from tomorrow onwards we will be having the hands-on sections. I request every one of you to please join with the laptops, right? So we will see, I will give you the brief idea how to install the Anaconda and how to use the Python by using the Jupyter as well as by using the Visual Studio Code. So yeah, coming to the summary that what we have covered today, like we have introduced it to the introduction to we have seen what is artificial intelligence, what is AI, right? So we have seen the Turing test, right? And we have seen the different types of AI, like narrow AI, general AI, and the super AI, right? And then we have seen the terminology of AI, like AI, ML, DL, and generative AI, right? Gen AI. And then we have seen the market, right? Applied AI that we have seen, right? And then the market trends that we have seen, right? I hope the today's section is clear to everyone, right? So if you are having any queries or something, feel free to ask me. Yes, if you are having any queries, feel free to ask me. I hope the section is clear to everyone. నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది ఏదైతే ఉందో మీకు అర్థమైందా? It is a basic like introduction today. From tomorrow onwards, we will be having the total hands-on section. Right. I request every one of you to please join with the laptops. Yeah, we will be doing the lots of projects like in every concept we'll be having a one project, the basic project, right? We'll be doing the some mini project on the data analysis, and we'll be doing the projects on the machine learning, right? At the end of the course, I will be showing you how to prepare the UI also, right, by using the Streamlit, right? Then you can prepare the user interface of the machine learning problem, and you can deploy it also. Pre-installation ఏమైనా చేయాలంటే maybe you please ready with the Python installation by using the Anaconda, right? Anaconda ద్వారా మీరు Anaconda install చేసుకోండి, so that yeah, the Python will be there along with the Anaconda. Tomorrow we will see installations ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో రేపు కూడా నేను చెప్తాను ఒకసారి. I will be giving you the brief. So if you are not having any laptop means I cannot put any point on it. Better you have the laptop. Why? Because the whole sections are the hands-on sections, right? Better to have the laptop. Yeah, you can have the recordings. Maybe the SAR might be sending you the recordings.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ చేశారు. హలో,
WhatsApp information gurinchi I am not aware of it. Please, you can ask Ocean Apps team.
Sir, tomorrow class time.
The same 7 to 8.
Okay, sir.
So yeah,
Sir. Hello.
yeah, please.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
We'll clarify the doubts regarding WhatsApp groups and mails.